The biggest mistake in AI history already happened, and there's no undo button. Not a bug, not a rogue robot. Something way more subtle and way more dangerous. This is the AI mistake that can't be undone. To and enjoy the video.
We didn't break AI, we trained it, and that might be the biggest mistake humanity ever made. Artificial intelligence doesn't think like humans. It learns by absorbing massive amounts of data, our words, our posts, our arguments, our lies, and our fears. And that's where the problem begins. The internet isn't a library of truth. It's a battlefield of opinions, half-facts, rage, and noise. And we handed all of it to AI and said, learn. Once AI learns something, it doesn't forget like humans do. You can remove data going forward, but you can't erase what shaped the model in the past. The foundation is already set. This is why AI sometimes lies confidently, why it mirrors human bias, why it can sound correct and still be completely wrong. It's not broken, it's reflecting us. The foundation is already set. Today, AI systems are training new models, which means AI is now learning from AI. Errors don't disappear, they multiply. We can slow the damage, add guardrails, improve transparency, but there is no reset button. The original mistake is permanent. AI didn't invent misinformation. It didn't create bias. It inherited them from us. The question isn't what AI will become, it's whether we'll become better teachers. Subscribe to AI Basics Hub, because understanding AI is no longer optional.